Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today the topic was data handling from 7th class NCERT. In that we are learning about probability. Probability is nothing but it is a chance of happening. In one line we can say probability as an event has a chance of occurring. That event may be the match, the day, like whether it was sun or rainy, like that. Let's take some examples from the probability, then you will get better understanding about the probability. I am taking coins here, like you all know about coins. Coins has heads and another side was tail. If you thrown a coin, it must be head or it must be tail. Both is not happening. So the chance of happening, the possible outcomes were 2 because of there is a head or tail. What is the happening we don't know. So the possible outcomes were 2. But if we get head or a tail, then we get the chance of probability like 1/2. Because of there is head or tail. In between those we get the only head or a tail in a coin. So the one is the head or a tail, or denominator is a possible outcomes. This was the mentioning for the coins. If you take a dice, you all may know about dice. Now see the dice. Dice has 6 faces from 1, 2, this was 5, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This was the 6th. So this was, if you take this is as a die, if you thrown a die, there is a possible outcomes were 6 because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces because of 6. But we get a chance either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. From those 6 we get only one of happening. So how we can say it is, if you thrown a die that came 2, how we are denoting as a possibility, that is 1/6 because of there is a 1 is happening at a time. We cannot get all those, so that is 1/6 we are representing like this. This is the for example about the probability, how coin and die we are taking into the probability mentioning. Now this was the exercise problem. Here exercise 3.4, tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. Here there are a few situations are given. We have to tell certain to happen. It means must happening. Impossible, it is no chance to happen. Here can happen but not certain. Here may happen or may not. This was the 3 situations. See here, you are older today than yesterday. Yes, it was certain to happen because of moving in our daily life, we are getting grower. So it was correct. It was certain to happen. Let's take this is as A, certain to happen, impossible as B for our easier consumption here. Here this was the C. So this was the answer as A. It was certain to happen. Second chance, a tossed coin will land heads up. We cannot say this because of in introduction we already discussed about heads and tails. There is 100% of chance for heads, 100% of chance of tails. We cannot tell. So the tossed coin will land heads up is a may or may not happen. So it is the option C. It is may or may not happen. Can happen but not certain. Here third chance, a die when tossed shall land up with the 8 on the top. No, it is impossible because of in a dice we have only 6 faces. There is no 8 faces for the die. So it was impossible. Next, the next traffic lights seen will be green. This was may or may not happen. We cannot tell that whether may be in red or orange or green. We cannot tell it is happen or may not happen. So it is come under option C. It happens or may not. Can happen but not certain. This was the option for the C. Next, tomorrow will be a cloudy day. It was can happen, may not be. See here, can happen but not certain because of we cannot tell tomorrow's how the daily life will going through. So we cannot tell it may happen or may not be. So this was option C. Next, moving into the third question. A coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. You may all know about the game starting. There was heads and tails before going into the game. Here, what is the probability that your team will start? If the team will start, it means it will won the toss. It means they have a 100% of chance of happening, right? So here, what is the probability that your team will be start? There is a probability 1 because of it must happen. So must happen is equal to the 1. There is no chance of happening, that is 0 because of here the starting team won the toss. That's why they get the probability 1. This was the answer. I hope you understand about the probability. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box. Click like button. Like my videos, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.